Hello friends, I am Swapan. Welcome to your favorite channel Canvas. Today we will learn how to draw figurative composition with pastel color. So let's start the main drawing. So here we will learn a scenery with human figure and animal figure. So at first we will draw the basic drawings of this boy. Now we will complete the whole figure in this way. Here we will draw the goats with basic drawing and complete the detailing. Similarly, we will draw another goat in this way. Now come to the background. Here we will draw a easy scenery with two houses and some trees. So our drawing is completed. Now we will start applying color. For the color, we have to follow the light and shadow portion properly. Here I am applying the basic concept of light and shadow very easily. Following this process, you can draw different types of a natural scenery very easily. If you like this video, subscribe our channel. I'm sure that you can learn so many things from our channel. So stay with us and take care and bye bye.